Good morning, teacher. Day I go adult game was my holidays or my vacation. We went with my parents to Lima. We also went to the beach and have a lot of fun. They ate ceviche. Then we went for a walk to Mega Plaza with my mom and dad. My have fun with a lot of haze. Then we went to the movies. The next day we went to Gamarra to buy clothes, sneakers and pants. Then that dois pass. We went to the park of legends. I saw animals. The one I liked the most was the tiger. Then we report to Tingo Maria. My parents put me in an academy to dice or tag.